In this video, we are going to see how we can enter a sales return in Odoo, as we have the transaction of 24th of January which says return 5 Civic headlights by Mr. Albert. That means our customer is returning some of the items because of whatever reason back to us. So what we can do is, first of all, we will locate the sales invoice and then create a return against that. Let's go to the customers and click on invoices. And for this particular customer, we have this transaction during the year, which is of this one. Let's open this up. And against this invoice, I want to create a credit note. So on the top, we have the credit note option. Click here. The reason to display on the credit note. I'll just copy this narration, paste it right here. Just remove the extra spaces. And journal is already set to sales reversal date. I'll just correct it according to the transaction date. It's 24th of January. So all set, click on reverse. But you will notice that it will immediately create a credit note which is set as draft. And it has transferred all the items from your invoice in here. But the customer wanna return only 5 Civic headlights. So let's remove the rest of these. Previous filters, I'll remove that. Down payment, I'll remove that. And this fields, I'll remove all of this. I'll only keep Civic headlights. And the customer is returning 5. At the rate of 210, this makes the total to 1050. All set. If you want to check the transaction journal report, you can just check on the journal items for journal entry effect. Sales is debit because the customer has returned item to us. So sales is debit, sales is reversed. And also the account receivable is reversed as a result. I'll click on confirm. And after that, you can check the profit and loss report. Just click on the reporting and click on profit and loss report to make sure it is reflected in here as well. So as we can see, 750 is the cost of goods sold that is credited. That means reduced. And also, if you check the revenue, it will be 1050, which is reversed. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.